the show, I gave you guys a sneak peek behind the scenes of the Becoming Tour for Michelle Obama. That's her latest book. I don't know that I'm going to sell anywhere near as many copies. 6 million, I think she sold. But I did want to give you guys a little sneak peek of my latest cookbook. It's 5 years since I published a cookbook. This one's very special to me. It's called 50. It's memories and meals from a sweet and savory life. Ha ha ha. I wrote 24 essays, kind of snapshots of my first 50 years. And there's over 120 recipes. I delivered way more than that. There'll be added content online as well. But it's special to me. It's kind of a scrapbook of my whole life. You guys, it won't come out till October 15th, but you can actually pre-order it right now at rachelray.com or amazon.com or even in actual bookstores, in booksellers everywhere, and look for it and me. I'm going to go out on tour myself around October 15th. Yay. I always feel so uncomfortable talking about myself like that, but I really did have a lot of fun writing that book. Let me get comfortable again by telling you what we're having for dinner tonight. Chili dogs! I've got ground beef, 80-20, so 80% lean, and then we're going to brown that in a little bit of olive oil, and I added some onion and garlic and jalapeno pepper. That's the base, okay? And I cooked it up just in my best buddy here, my cast iron skillet. Now we're gonna season it up. We're gonna do some smoked paprika, a big old palm full of chili powder, of course, smoked sweet paprika, and cumin. Cumin loves to hang out with coriander. They go everywhere together. A little salt and pepper. Oh, and I don't think they put the garlic in yet. We just have the onions cooking out in there. So I'm gonna add the garlic now. I'm gonna add a little ground ginger. Give this a stir. Oh man, that smells good. We're gonna toast up our spices a bit. We're gonna add a little tomato paste or sun-dried tomato paste. And we're gonna add some Worcestershire sauce, some hot sauce, cayenne pepper sauce, big old turn of the pan. And to help it cook out, about a cup of water. Now we're gonna let that simmer. We're gonna talk about the dog when we come back. We are making chili dogs tonight. We made our chili with the ground beef and onions and garlic and jalapeno peppers. Our dogs, I love this technique. I keep them warm and heat them through in a little water bath at a low simmer. Then right before I serve them, so they have a good snap to them, I throw them onto a hot griddle and get the casings all nice and super crispy. What we do with the cut sides of the top split rolls is baste them with butter and throw them on the griddle so it tastes like you're eating buttered toast with your chili dog. I know. So I've got half the griddle covered with the with the rolls for the dogs. I'm gonna take the dogs out of the hot tub and put them on the sauna, I guess, on the griddle. When we come back, once these get nice and crispy, we'll stack our dogs right after this. This is how we do it. We've got our freshly griddled, toasted, buttered roll. While the roll's nice and hot, I put the cheese right down in there. Then we're gonna take our nice, snappy casing hot dog. Then we're gonna take a ton of our homemade chili sauce. Put that down over there, like that. Mustard. Relish. Onions. Bring it on!